Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll walk you through making a stunning trifold brochure from scratch in Canva. First, click Create. In the search bar, type 40 pool, then select the matching option to proceed with your setup. This example is for our design page. In the Templates section, you will find a wide variety of layout choices to suit your project needs. Leave one item here. Let's try this example. Select the item, then proceed to the next step to see how it functions within the workflow. Click Apply to both pages, then choose any brochure template from the available options to customize your design quickly and easily. Decide what you need in your preferred style. For example, this option features a different style template to better match your project requirements and personal design preferences. Choose accordingly to suit your needs. Edit the details or images as needed. You can easily update text, change photos, or customize elements to fit your project perfectly. Upload your own images to Canva by selecting the Upload button. After uploading, drag your image onto the design. Then, add details like text or effects to customize your project. After that, click Share, then Download, and increase the size to get the best quality for your project. To download with high quality, ensure both pages are selected before clicking the Download button. Use PDF Print for the best quality printing. For professional results, select the CMYK color mode. This ensures accurate color reproduction and optimal print output, suitable for high-quality printed materials and commercial printing processes. Now you know how to create a trifold brochure on Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy design tips.